Bondic Evo, liquid welding for plastic. Bondic is a compact device that allows you to repair plastic parts in seconds using ultraviolet radiation. When exposed to ultraviolet, the plastic melts and after a few seconds, freezes again, while you can totally control the process. It should be noted that Bondic is not an adhesive. The device works differently. Glue simply glues surfaces, whereas Bondic binds them on the structural level. With the help of ultraviolet radiation, this device binds monomers, which constitute the structure of any plastic parts, into a polymer chain. Such liquid welding is very reliable and much stronger than any glue. Bondic can be used to repair any plastic parts, door handles, hooks, containers, cups, and so on. Liquid welding can become a proper discovery for your home and greatly simplify your life. Mavic Pro. The main difference between Mavic Pro and other quadcopters on the market is the foldable design, which allows you to transport it in a small bag. All four rays and motors are hiding in the recesses of the hull, rotating about 180 degrees in different planes. In the stowed mode, the rays are retained due to the features of the hinges. No tools for assembly are required. The process of switching the flight mode takes literally a few seconds. In front, there are two obstacle detection cameras located under the angle of approximately 60 degrees with overlapping in the middle. Their workable distance is between 70 centimeters and 15 meters. Besides, the early warning system is able to detect obstacles at a distance of up to 30 meters. The 3,830 ampere-hour rechargeable battery is installed in the top compartment of the chassis. The battery has got a button for turning the entire device on. The same button is used to estimate the charge level. The battery is charged from the regular network device in about an hour. According to the manufacturer, the maximum range is 8 kilometers, but it was measured under ideal conditions in the absence of wind. Mycestro finger mouse. There isn't always a convenient surface to use a computer mouse on. Besides, controlling the cursor using the touchpad is more often than not hectic. Mycestro mouse is designed to work in the limited space. It is put on the index finger and allows you to easily move the cursor with moves of the hand in the air without having to look for flat surfaces. The mouse works at a distance of 9 meters, so its use will be especially convenient. For example, at a conference, when you are controlling the cursor while standing in front of a large screen. So you move the cursor with gestures, but the mouse also has buttons. 3 buttons are located on the left side of the device, which allows you to conveniently press them with your thumb. In addition, you can also swipe buttons on either side. Aryzon is an augmented 3D reality for smartphones. Many of us approximately imagine how a conventional optical stereoscope works. Specialists from the company Aryzon managed to insert there a smartphone instead of special dual images. Thanks to a unique software, the smartphone turns any photo taken by its camera or already available in the phone's memory into a dual image displayed on the screen. A smartphone is placed inside the Aryzon device. After that, dual images on the display turn into holograms using a special system of lenses and mirrors. Thus, everything that is available on the smartphone's display can be viewed in 3D. Developers of the Aryzon device call it Pocket Home Virtual Reality, which everyone can afford. The Aryzon app is compatible with iOS and Android. Plen Cube Compact Robot Assistant. Plen Cube is first and foremost a full HD camera and state-of-the-art face recognition and speech recognition software that allows the personal robot to follow your voice commands and capture important moments of your life, and then use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections for uploading photos and videos on social networks. A rotating 360-degree head not only allows the robot to track all your movements and make panoramic photos, but also makes its movements realistic and cute. With the help of the display and speakers, the robot is able to fulfill your requests, for example, to find today's weather forecast on the internet. In short, a small cube has all the skills necessary for a good assistant and a secretary, especially if you are active and are used to sharing your impressions on social networks. Zolo Liberty ultra-compact headphones with graphene speakers. There seem to be quite a few ultra-compact and completely wireless headphone droplets on the market, but Zolo Liberty has one essential difference: graphene speakers. This is a superconducting carbon-based material that first appeared in 2004. It is extremely durable, yet light and soft, and that's why developers assure it's ideal for speakers. In addition to interesting speakers, Liberty offers voice assistant functions with recognition of voice commands. The headphones will listen to the owner and, following the voice commands, will control the playback music, inform about the weather forecast, news, traffic information, and so on. According to the developers, this assistant will be compatible with Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, and Cortana. Rokpak protective box with a battery, a solar battery, and a flashlight. The basis of Rokpak is a polymer shockproof and hermetically sealed 246mm long, 128mm wide, and 70mm thick box with an internal volume of almost 0.93 liters. The hermeticity of the box meets the IP67 standard, which allows it to safely plunge into the water for 30 minutes at the depth of up to 1 meter. On the outside, the box is complemented by a single crystal solar panel with an LED charge indicator, 4 external white LEDs with a maximum brightness of 30 lumens, and the ability to automatically activate when in contact with water. Inside the box, there is another white LED and a 12,000 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, which is supplemented by an LCD display for charge tracking, 2 USB output ports, and 1 micro USB input. It takes at least 5 hours to fully charge the battery from the mains. Curvilux Smart Bedside Table. The Smart Bedside Table is equipped with LED light bulbs which can light up not only the surface of the pedestal, but also the floor next to it. It is designed to ensure that a person who wakes up in the middle of the night can, for example, go get some water without turning on the main lighting and at the same time without stumbling around. Thanks to the Bluetooth and audio stereo system, it's incredibly easy to make a song from your favorite playlist the ringtone of your morning alarm, your phone ringtone, or just allow listening to your favorite music while lying in your bed. In addition, the developer's team has equipped a nightstand with a wireless charger, as well as a box with an electronic lock. The developed application for smartphones will help users open and close the electronic box, turn on and off the backlight, and set an alarm clock, which will imitate the dawn every morning. Non-rechargeable CIO flashlight. The main perk of this flashlight is that it works on the energy of the magnetic field and does not require recharging. It uses powerful LEDs so the cyclist can be seen from a distance of more than 300 meters. The flashlight is waterproof, so you don't need to worry about using it in the rain. The device is mounted on a bicycle with simple but reliable fasteners that minimize the risk of its loss or theft. Even when the bicycle stops and the magnetic field disengages, the Re-Power backup system continues supplying power to the LED flashlight lamps so that the cyclist can be sure of his safety. After stopping, the gadget will continue to flash for another 2 minutes and then will automatically turn off. Ginkgo Solar Tree is a solar charging station designed to maintain the charge of your smartphone. Made of environmentally friendly plastic and bamboo, the station boasts a large 4,000 ampere-hour rechargeable lithium-ion battery designed to store clean energy. Simply connect your mobile phone to the device, put it on a small black stand, and 4 blue lights of the aluminum plate will show the status of your battery charge. There is also a green LED that illuminates when the station itself is fully charged. The device accumulates enough energy to fully charge the phone in 2 hours. Thanks for watching us, folks. Mention in the comments which gadget you liked most. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our new videos. See you next time.